Well, take your seatbelt off.
Whose birthday it is?
Caitlin's.
And Christopher.
Yes, come on.
Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a boho glam birthday party that I decorated for my beautiful niece Caitlin in honor of her 5th birthday. Before we get started, let me make a few disclaimers. You will see lots of kids in this video. Please keep in mind that these kids have been quarantined together, they are cousins and family, and they have been together throughout this entire process. Secondly, we had the party in a very safe area. It's a private neighborhood, and we rented the clubhouse in this neighborhood, and it also had a private playground. So only our kids were there at the time of this party. Now that that has been said, let's hop into today's video. So this started out as a boho chic birthday party, but it quickly turned into a boho glam. My niece Caitlin is so fancy. Her favorite cartoon character is Fancy Nancy, go figure. As you guys remember, I told you that my husband and I were keeping our niece and nephews this summer, so we are doing birthday parties and schoolwork and all types of things that is involved, and it's really been super duper fun. When I decided to put this party together, I wanted something very intimate, very girly, very relaxing, and very fun. So I knew that an outdoor princess picnic would be just what the doctor ordered. And I was able to curate this design using most of the things from in and around our home. I borrowed a few things from my friend Keelan over at Keelan Walker Photography, but most of it, I already had it in stock. I will be sharing with you guys step by step on how to put this together in a future video, so you guys stay tuned for that announcement. Now, when it came to curating this design, I knew that I wanted them to eat on a low table. I was so desperate for a table that I almost went to my favorite Japanese restaurant and asked to borrow it, but I didn't have to. I was able to DIY it. I reached out to my local florist and she did this gorgeous centerpiece for me. I told her I wanted something very boho chic, but you know, with lots of pink. The happy birthday princess plates, I was able to get those from Hobby Lobby. The sequin tablecloth is actually sequin fabric, and I've already had that on hand. The fur rug, you guys have seen that time and time again for like Christmas things, you know. Rachel did an amazing job on the cupcakes. I just thought they looked absolutely incredible. On the inside of the tent, we took the other sequin tablecloth that we had to lay it on the floor, and we also added some balloons, and a special thank you to my girl for Sharonda for putting the balloons together for me. I like blew them all up the day before, and then she came by as I ran another errand and put them all together. So it turned out absolutely amazing. A point that I want to point out here is not to use confetti balloons outdoors. Don't ask me why. So it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I went ahead and I set the table using the disposable plates and cups, but for the food, we actually ordered lunch boxes from Honey Baked Ham. I think lunch boxes during this time is so, you know, they're so safe. So Chick-fil-A, Honey Baked Ham, anywhere that serves like a boxed lunch would be a great go-to for a birthday party during this time. If you want to do it virtual, like we had more gifts than we actually had guests, what you could do is invite your son or your daughter's friends to a Facebook group, and then have their little gifts sitting on the pillows where they would have sat, and FaceTime them during the party, and then you could send the gift to them in the mail. So that would work out really well. In terms of the gifts, I just included things that children really like slime and pins and just different little small toys and treats and things like that. So I thought that that would work out really well. And again, like I said, you know, if you just had like one daughter or one son and you didn't have a lot of kids, you could definitely FaceTime their friends and have them to join in on the party and send all of their goodies in the mail prior to the party so that they could feel like they were actually there and actually a part of the event.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
Okay, so let's talk about designing this event, starting with the foundation. So the foundation of this entire design is a greenery rug that I had years ago. You can definitely find one at your local hardware store like Home Depot or Lowe's or maybe even Walmart. I also discussed using fabric for the tablecloth that I already had on hand. You can also use like a throw or blanket or a really fun sheet or something that you may have, but I think a fun throw or blanket would work best. For the table, get really creative on how to do a low table. But you guys, I use 4 paint cans and an old door to create this table. There are a plethora of things that you can use as well to create a very low table for them to eat. The florals, I already mentioned them earlier, but I really love this design. I wanted it to be very light and airy. I didn't want anything really roundy, moundsy, but I just absolutely love the way that it turned out. The tent, you can purchase these on Amazon. They would be great to use after the party in your kids' room. The throne chair that you see on your right is the original throne chair, okay? Before the fancy ones came out that we're currently using. I absolutely love it, and I borrowed it from my friend Keelan. The fur rug, you can find those just about anywhere. In terms of the pillows, I did not go out and buy new pillows for this, you guys. I just basically ordered pillow covers from Amazon, and I had the heart fur pillows from a haul that I did at Target earlier this year. You guys may remember that haul, but I used the pillows from that haul, the heart ones, and the other ones are simply pillow covers. You got that right. Okay, so in terms of the gold chargers, you can find those at the Dollar Tree. You can find them at Hobby Lobby. DollarTree.com is now delivering again, which is great. So you can also get like the clear vases and the floating candles from the Dollar Tree as well. For the presents, I use wrapping paper that I already had on hand. I use ribbon that I had on hand from Christmas, and on the alternate boxes that you see on the pillows, they're actually pencil boxes from the Dollar Tree, and they say shine bright. So I thought those were perfect because they combine the pink that my niece Caitlin absolutely loves along with the gold glitter. So just kind of bringing everything in together. So now that you have had a complete tour of the party, I'm now going to introduce you to my niece Caitlin, and please tell her happy birthday in the comments below.
Hi, this is my niece. Tell them hello, Caitlin.
Hi.
Say your name, Caitlin.
My name's Caitlin Joy Scott.
And what are we doing today?
Today is my birthday.
What kind of party are we having?
A birthday party.
Yes, a princess picnic. Okay.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing how everything came together. I will be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to do a boho chic themed party or boho glam themed party very, very soon. So stay tuned for that very important announcement. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for all of your continuous and unwavering support. If you're here for the first time, I would love for you to consider subscribing to our channel. And until next time, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.